I'm just going to show you some new tech in some of the cars nowadays. We're going to have a look at a head-up display. Now, they're not necessarily just on big posh expensive cars. You can have some of the city cars that have got head-up display with the same function. But we're just going to have a little look on how they work and what they do. As you can see, it's got a speed limit and it shows you the speed that you're actually doing, and this can be programmed to do different things in different cars. What I'm going to do at the moment, I'm just going to turn the sat-nav on. I've already got a pre-set route plumbed in, and as you can see
Please turn right in 200 yards onto A580 towards city centre.
There you go. So it's a pre-plumbed route, and it shows you the directions on the head-up display on which way you need to go. Benefits to this, obviously you don't have to be keeping on looking at the screen in your car. You can be paying attention to the road up ahead.
Now turn right.
How the head-up display actually works is it projects the actual image from a base plate at the bottom of the screen down in here, and it projects it up onto the window, so it's a reflection, if you like. And honestly, even in bright sunlight, it's really clear and it's a really useful thing. Let's have a look how these speed limit changes work. We're on a 30 limit, and at the top of the road there's a 20 limit. And what actually happens is that it picks up on the signs, it sees the signs, and then you'll find as soon as we're past the signs, the head-up display will change the speed limit. Let's have a look. There you go. It's pretty much instantaneous. I will add though that it's not always that accurate. As with sat-navs, it doesn't always get the speed limit spot on, and sometimes it won't recognise, so you can't rely on it 100%. Let's see how it does picking up on this side. Pretty good. But remember, it doesn't always work very accurately. You can't rely on it. You've still got to use your eyes. So, last little thing I'll show you, I'll just show you a different display when you're driving this car. There's different driving modes, and you can quite simply change a driving mode on a button on the steering wheel, and it changes the setup of the car, but it also instantly, as you can see, changes the display on the actual dashboard on the head-up display. So now we've got the rev counter and what gear we're in added onto the display. For the last part of the video, I'm just going to go back to the beginning. It's just a quick example on how any car can get things wrong with this new tech. Look at the speed limit in the road to the left. In a moment, the car's going to pick up on this and then start telling me it's a 20 limit, when it's not, it's still 30. So however good you think your car is, it's never going to replace your eyes.